And here's a What the Physics video. Again, for the stair climbing more power lab. Although this can go on with all sorts of different topics of work and power and energy and such. I have to walk how long? I weigh 985 pounds. Back in the day. Back in the day, fair. 985, sorry, not pounds. Wow. Newtons. Silly fair. Never actually weighed that many pounds. And the displacement on the y, or the height, is 3.3 meters. And the time is going to be 12 seconds. We're going to assume 100% efficiency because just don't want to deal with that part right here. How many hours would it take me to burn off 300 calories? So I'm looking for a different time. You say, what? What? And by the way, 300 calories, that's over 1,000,000 joules. That's over 1,250,000 joules. So, yeah, there we go. How are you going to do this? You say, fair, you've got two different times. What the physics is going on here? The idea is, if you use this information here to calculate your power, then you can use the EPT equation, energy equals power times time. So calculate your power, and we're assuming that we can do this at a nice constant rate. We're constantly climbing up the stairs, the distance of 3.3 meters every 12 seconds. We're going to do this all hour long. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's see. Calculate the power. Oh, sorry. Power, not energy. Power is equal to work divided by the time. So I have the work. Well, work is equal to force times distance. So in this case, it's the gravitational force times the height. So it's mgh divided by delta t, right? mgh divided by the time. So I can also think of it as the change in gravitational potential energy. Anywho, 985 newtons times 3.3 meters divided by 12 seconds. Tap, tap, tap. We're going to get power is equal to 270.875 watts. Yes, watts. Now we're going to use EPT. Energy is equal to power times time, and solve for the time. This is the time that we want, right? Because power is like the consistent part here. Yes, we always have the same rate at which we're going up the stairs. So power, remember, power is energy divided by time. That's what I mean by the rate. So, anywho, solving this equation for time, dividing both sides by power, I have energy divided by the power. The energy, we have the 300 calories, but we're not going to do physics with calories. We're going to do this. 1.255 times 10 to the 6th joules divided by the power, which is this guy here, 270.875 watts. And a watt, if you recall, is a joule per second. And then the joules cancel out, and that's 1 over seconds, which just gives us seconds, so that's handy. And let's go ahead and 4634 seconds. You say, wow, that's a lot of seconds. Let's go ahead and convert that into hours, because that's what we want. So we're going to do a little conversion action. Let's see. Seconds. How many seconds are in an hour? 3,600 seconds, 1 hour. seconds cancel out, boom and boom, we get about 1.3 hours. So, not to give you issues about how much you're eating, just make sure you eat healthily, but if you eat a 300 calorie bit of food, and you really want to burn off all that food, that's over an hour of stair climbing. No one wants that. At least not this guy.